Nowadays, many people are becoming more conscious about their health. You'll see them walking, running, or doing exercise every morning, carefully planning their meals and balancing their diet to stay fit and healthy. And guess what? Alongside with this growing lifestyle trend, fitness planners have become super popular. In fact, platforms like Etsy, so many sellers are offering digital fitness planner. And people are buying them like crazy. Some even make thousands of dollars just by selling these planners online. The good news, you don't need to be a designer to create one. With Canva, you can easily design your own professional looking fitness planner that you can use personally or even to sell online to earn extra income. And in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step on creating this. By the end, you'll not only have your own fitness planner, but also knowledge to turn into product that you can sell. So let's dive in and let's create your digital fitness planner.
First, let's head over to Canva and start by creating a new page. I usually choose A4 size since it's a standard and versatile format. Now let's design the cover page. This is super important because it's the first thing your audience will see. So it should be clearly show that this is a fitness planner. Go to the text tool and add a bold, clear title like Fitness Planner. To make the cover more engaging, you can add some graphics or clips of people walking, running, or even doing yoga. Anything that gives off that active and healthy vibe. Next, let's add a background. Go to Photos tab and look for a light, minimal background. The key here is to pick something subtle that doesn't overpower your title and cover elements. A soft gradient, a light texture, or even a pale colors works perfectly. It keeps the design clean and professional while letting. Now, let's move on to the next page and create an inspirational quotes page. This is a great way to keep your users motivated every time they open the planner. Start by going to Elements and type in rounded square. Add it to your page, then adjust its size and color to match your theme. Once you're happy with the one box, simply copy and paste it to create more spaces for different quotes. To make sure the layout more fun and visually appealing, try changing the colors of each box. Using a mix of light and bold shades can really bring the page to life. For an extra touch, you can also add quotation marks from the Elements tab to highlight the quotes. This is a little detail that makes the page look more polished and professional while keeping it inspiring.
We're not done yet, but if you want to grab this full fitness planner that I'm creating here, I'll put the link on the description below so you can easily download it. Now let's move on to the next page and keep building your own planner.
To stay focused on fitness, you really need a goal progress tracking page. This will help users see how far they've come and keep them motivated. Start by going to Elements and adding a table. Adjust its size so it fits nicely on the page without looking too crowded. Once you've got the table set, add text labels for different milestones like 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. This way, users can set both short-term and long-term goals. Another one, let's make the page even more functional by adding a notes section. Just type the word notes at the top, then insert a rounded square from the Elements tab. Adjust its size so there's enough writing space to make it visually appealing. Play with its color, choose something light but contrasting so it stands out without overpowering the page. And another thing, to really stay fit and balanced, let's add a weekly meal planner page. This will help keep track of healthy meals and make it easier to stay on track with diet goals. Start by adding a table or simple lines from the Elements tab, then adjust its size so it fits neat on the page. Once you're happy with the layout, it's time to add text. On the left side, type in the days of the week, Monday through Sunday. Across the top row, add meal categories like breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. This simple structure make it super easy to organize meals day by day and meal by meal. You can even add a light background or subtle lines to keep it clean and visually appealing, while making sure it's functional for everyday use. Since we all need to stock up on food, let's add a grocery list page to our fitness planner. This page will make meal prepping and shopping so much easier. At the very top, add space for the store name and the date, so users can keep track of when and where they shop. Next, let's build the list sections, starting by adding a square shape, adjust its size, and then go to the line tool and add lines. Adjust the line weight so it looks neat and easy to tick off. Then just copy and paste it to speed up the process. Now let's organize everything into categories. Add sections for canned food, meats, condiments, bread, frozen food, spices, and dairy. To make this more visually appealing, simply copy your first section, then rename the titles and change the colors for each category. This creates variety while keeping the layout consistent. And at the bottom of the page, don't forget to add an other section for random items that don't fit into the main categories. This way, your grocery list is both structured and flexible. And for the last one, let's add the meal ideas page to give users a space to plan or brainstorm healthy foods options. Starting by adding a new page, then hover to Elements and insert a simple shape. Inside that shape, add a text label for breakfast. To give space for writing, go to Lines tool and adjust the line size so it looks clean and easy to use. Once you're done, simply copy the entire breakfast section and paste it down the page. Then rename each one to create sections for lunch, snacks, and dinner. To keep it visually interesting, change the color of each section so users can quickly spot the meal categories. This way, the page looks neat, colorful, and functional. Perfect for organizing meal ideas throughout the week.
So that's a wrap for today's tutorial. We're already gone through some of the most important pages in this fitness planner. But of course, I won't able to walk you through every single page in this video. The good news is, all you need to do is head over to our website. It's plrdoc.com. I'll also add the link on the description below so you can check it out after this video. And here's the exciting part. We've got a whole collection of ready-made planners and journals waiting for you. Whether you're looking for business planners, personal budget trackers, social media, or so much more. So don't miss out. Check out plrdoc.com today.